So I will speak, but I will go to the field because there is a discussion. Should I
okay.
be a secretary or a general?
You'll be more general, given your defense.
I mean, you have to be the chief administrator according to the charter, but I have to be a general as well.
Okay. I think that was a good answer. Temitayo Olatunde is from the Temvert Empowerment Foundation. It's a youth empowerment organization, mainly working in Nigeria. The question: civil society organizations, particularly those led by young people in the Global South, face persistent barriers to meaningful UN participation, including accreditation delays, funding gaps, exclusion from decision-making. What concrete steps will you take to ensure civil society is genuinely included in shaping UN policy, not merely consulted? In other words, just lip service. Concrete.
Well, I remember when I was a UN Women, there was a group working with girls, and they said, I don't want to be at the table. I want to decide the shape of the table. And I understand that's the same thing that these people are saying. I believe, first of all, there's a lot can be done with ECOSOC, because ECOSOC is the one who accredits which are NGOs, civil society organizations that can be observers, that can participate. So that can be, I would say, improved. All those procedures can be improved because it takes too long, and that means that you have to ensure that more civil society organizations, NGOs, can be present at the different places. We need, though, I have to say, to ensure that they get visas so they can participate in many of these. Because I saw in the CSW very few women from some parts of the world. And I asked, what was it? Is it the cost of the ticket? No, they said they didn't get the visa. So we need to ensure that that happens as well. We need to enforce the youth office. We need to support the youth office so it can make much more than what it's doing now. So I believe that also we have the solution 2250 that on youth and peace and security. And I think we need to make it a reality because that is written, but you have to implement it.
Another question. Suvira Chakravarti, formerly from UNIFEM, UNDP from the United States.